Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to NordVPN on Windows 11, complete guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in nordvpn.com and press enter. You will be directed to the NordVPN homepage. Click on the Get NordVPN button, typically located in the upper right corner. Next, you will see a list of subscription plans. Review the available plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Buy Now or equivalent button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Once you have filled in the required information, proceed by clicking the Sign Up button. You will then be redirected to the payment page. Choose your preferred payment method from the options provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. After completing the payment, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and look for your activation link. Click on the activation link to confirm your subscription. Now, go back to the NordVPN website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, navigate to the Download section. Select the version for Windows and click on the Download button. Wait for the download to finish, then locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. Follow the prompts to install NordVPN on your Windows 11 device. Once the installation is complete, open the NordVPN application. Log in again using your email and password. You are now ready to start using NordVPN to enhance your online privacy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.